It is also a big debate in the Army when we have morale building activities, things for fun, because it's serious all the time. Train, always hard and structured, and let your hair down a little and have a little fun. So,
a worthy person who's really close to me, how can you be able to identify a person is stressed, or how will you be able to identify a person has anxiety when they're really happy around you, when they share their life with you? Could you please tell me that? I mean, all of us would like to know that.
But on the inside, you never know if somebody's struggling. So I think it's just really important to be having those conversations and being open about how you're feeling, because you never know if maybe somebody is struggling with something and maybe they just aren't comfortable talking about it and being the first to say something. So I think that is the first step, is just having those conversations.
Like to be great, but how do I tell her that it doesn't help? It could kill you. How do I say that? It's not useful.
that's hard. That's a hard conversation. I think the important thing is being there for them, trying to talk to them about what's going on. And
things that help me, I think I get really stressed around exams, and also I don't want to disappoint my parents with bad grades. I feel like as is pretty common. So some things that I really like to do are, I like to go to the library. I feel like I have to study where it's quiet and where I can have some space to myself, kind of to just focus on my schoolwork, study. But then also when that exam's over, some ways that relieving stress is just like,
yeah, I mean, I definitely feel that academic stress as well. I mean, I work full-time, I go to school full-time, so I feel that stress, but it's really important. I mean, especially in our master's program, we have all become very close-knit, and just we talk to each other about our experiences and how we feel like things are going, so that we don't feel like we're alone when we're feeling that stress. So
let me introduce myself. I am Grace. Happy to see you, Grace. And my question is, there are much more activities there as compared to our system. I think more curricular activities. So, do you think it will affect the learning capacity or the qualification of the students, like compared to ours?
I think it can affect the learning activities. You do, like as Grace said, you have to maintain good grades to be on the sports teams, but I'm sure that's very similar here.
Do you all enjoy the time? Let me good. Mr. Dr. Jody Aniston was a former student in the campus. He's alumni. So he must be an inspiration for all of you. Thanks to Shoni, Leslie, Rita, and Grace. What is the theme of this year? Mind your mind. Take care of your mind. I think this opportunity, because we have a specialist team from the States.
And express my gratitude to all of you being here. And you know that how important this is, the mental health is, as Father Sabu has said. If you take care of yourself, you can reach anywhere you want. I think it's impossible. And best of luck with you, all of you. Thank you.